Good morning, students. Let us continue with differentiation. Look at this sum. Water is poured into hemispherical bowl of radius phi at a rate of 3 pi centimeter cube per second. What is 3 pi? It's not dr by dt. Look at the units here. Centimeter cube is for volume. So it is dv by dt is 3 pi. That is the first step you need to understand. Centimeter cube per second means volume per second is given 3 pi centimeter cube per second and R is 5. Next, what else is given? After t seconds, the volume of the water in the bowl is given by this. So V equal to 5 pi h square minus 1 by 3 pi h cube. Find the rate of change of h when h equal to 1. Rate of change of h means dh by dt when the value of h equal to 1 is the question mark. Am I clear so far? I read the question, whatever is given, I have written it. Now I need to find dv by dh first. So how much will I get? 5 pi into 2h minus pi by 3 into 3h square I get. So which is 10 pi h minus pi h square is dv by dh. So how much will dv by dt be? It will be 10 pi h minus pi h square into d by dt of which letter do I have over here? H. So h over here. Now dv by dt is 3 pi equal to 10 pi h minus pi h square. This is what I need to find. Yeah, and one more, h value is given to be 1. Let's cancel pi in each of it. So 3 equal to 10 into 1 minus 1 square into dh by dt. That implies dh by dt equal to 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. Am I clear? This is how we need to do the sums. Now look at one next sum. Now look at next sum. The diagram shows a right circular cone with radius 10 centimeters. Let me draw it again little bit big. Radius of this cone is 10 centimeters and height is 30 centimeters. So its height is 30 centimeters. Clear so far with the question? The cone is initially completely filled with water. Water leaks out the cone through a small hole at the vertex at the rate of 4 centimeter cube per second. Looking at it, centimeter cube is the units for volume. So dv by dt is nothing but 4. That is what you need to understand. Now what is the first bit? Show that volume equal to pi h cube by 27. Generally, what is the volume of cone? Pi r square h. Now which letter do I need to eliminate here? R square needs to be eliminated. So how do I get R in terms of h? And one more, at this after t seconds, the water is still at this point and this height is given to be smaller h. So this volume is given nothing but pi r square h. Now how do I get this volume? As we did earlier, the two triangles are similar. When this is 10 and this time this is r and the entire height is 30. Are we clear so far? Yeah, let us continue then. What will be the height of this one? And this height is given so far is h. So if I apply similarity, I get 10 by r equal to 30 by h. So 0 zeros gets cancelled, cross multiply h equal to 3r, that implies r equal to h by 3. Did you understand? R equal to h by 3, place it here. So volume equal to pi into h into r square means h by 3 whole square. So it is pi into h square by 9, which is equal to pi h cube by 9. Again, what did I miss? Volume of a cone is by 3. So by 3 here, by 3. So that becomes pi h cube by 27. If you had done any mistake, you will not get what he is asking you to show. So you can correct your mistakes. Now second bit, what is he asking? Find the rate of change of h when h is 20. So dh by dt he is asking you to find when h equal to 20. Okay. So now volume equal to pi h cube by 27. So dv by dh, how much will I get first? Pi by 27 into 3h square I get, which is pi h square by 9. Am I clear with that? That means dv by dt equal to pi h square by 9 into d by dt of h. So replace dv by dt to be 4 pi h by 20. So 20 square by 9 into dh by dt. So that results in my dh by dt equal to minus 9 by 100 pi, which is the answer. Minus indicates it's decreasing. Am I clear so far? Whenever it's these kind of sums, in earlier video also we used similarity. There also the same situation. Cone, over there it was a cylinder. So whenever cone and something inside it is given, we are using similarity. So remember it. Using similarity we can get a conclusion of something. So in the cases of cone, around 50% of the sums we are using the similarity. Smaller triangle will be similar to the bigger triangle and we conclude r in terms of h or whatever he is asking us. Clear?